Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see this release lever, which we'll pull, and that should have released the safety that holds it shut. If this is just really loose, I'd also double check that this cable's attached. If that cable's not attached, you might need to address that. But now we'll go up to the front, then towards the middle. Now that's loose, you can fit your fingers in. Towards the middle here, there's a lever, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift, and we're open. And I think this one's missing one, but usually there's a little arm that you can use to hold the hood up. But here you can see that latch I was pushing. So double check there's nothing bent or broken, no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If that's sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen everything. There's what it was hooked onto. And then also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's not and it's crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.